Right, so here we are. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I opened up the window. I hope you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit better that way. I'm just going to shut up now and let the car do the talking. Just going to do a quick lounge. Oh fuck. That was a fail. This is with the windows closed, so you can really hear the sound inside of the cabin. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but the first shift that I did was a rough shift. It wasn't smooth, it felt bumpy. And the second shift was a smooth shift, so I felt it in real life. It's a small difference, but it really isn't that smooth. But I really don't think it's going to come across on the video. Oh, on the pops and bangs though. So let's do some accelerations because the road's empty. So this is second gear Sport Plus. At 30 I'm going to put my digital speedo on. Okay, at 30 kilometers an hour, and this is my foot down. This will be a third gear pull from 50 kilometers an hour, foot down.